y'all, it's the Real Harmony Chanel, and I'm not coming back to you for another video. This is my first video on this channel, so before I get started, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything that I post. And y'all saw my intro, my Instagram username. That's when I go on there, I post in my story, I do polls on what y'all want me to see. Like, y'all can vote between different, video ideas, so go follow me there so you won't miss out on nothing. But y'all saw by the title, today I'm gonna be installing a wig. Yeah, today we're gonna be installing a wig. And before I get started, my family members, they be the ops, so they're gonna be telling everybody, oh, she was on her YouTube channel, she was picking wigs and stuff. I'm 13 years old, and not get over it, but it's for entertainment purposes only. Y'all act like I'm gonna be wearing this wig to school or something. It's just for YouTube. Egg. That's a little happy. This wig is used, so we're gonna be like reinstalling it, and it is human hair. I'm not gonna put on a synthetic wig. That's one thing women never do, is put on a synthetic wig. No hate to the synthetic wig girlies, but it's not for me, It's bouncy, it's not stiff. Yeah, see, it's not stiff. So yeah, first time ever installing a wig. I go on TikTok and I see people install wigs and stuff. So yeah, but first, before we do anything, we're gonna look at y'all. My storage is like so bad. I don't know, they keep telling me I got no storage on my phone, which I know I have storage, but I just made storage for this video. But okay, y'all, so whatever. Now I got these wig caps. I just opened it, so I'm gonna put on a wig cap. So I'm gonna be back with y'all when I put on a wig cap. So angle change. This is me with my wig cap. I'm supposed to look cute. So we're gonna be using this to slick back my edges, because people keep saying when you wear wigs it takes out your edges. And I'm not gonna get my edges took out because I'm trying on a wig. Also, I don't let my edges go. Oh, so yeah. I never did this before. Okay, let's see. The cap is over my edges, like so crazy. Some of the ladies said they're trying. It's like something on it. It's dirty. I don't know. Use this lace on gel and put it on your cap. Use a Q-tip. Just gotta stick on this. I'll do this. It's very easy to do. I got some. I'm not even gonna put this on my hair. I'm gonna put it because I got a big forehead. This is a lot. All the accessories, but we're gonna use this and I think that's what we do. We're gonna tie this around here, and I'm gonna wait till this dries, and I'm gonna be back with y'all when we're supposed to cut with Okay, we're back, and yes, it's a different angle change, so don't get tired of the angle switching. I'm gonna keep this angle for the rest of the video, just because y'all probably tired of that, like different angles. So yeah, I don't even know if he's dry. He's laughing at me. I don't even know if that's dry. I'm gonna I'm super scared. Y'all don't know how scared I am, because this is my first wig. Like, I'm Liz is probably right now freaking so scared of me. I'll see what my lace is looking like. You can always have makeup, foundation, and I'll add this to my lace. My lace front. Using this brush. This is my mom's bag. She uses all this stuff for her wigs, so I'm using it. So I don't care. Whatever, it doesn't matter. This is so not my color. It still is not my color, but I feel like at least it's not white, you know, for the wig. Okay, she's giving body outing. Right now, this is the wig how it's looking right now. We're supposed to put like glue. We're gonna glue it on. Lace glue. It looks like slime. And it smells like nail polish. My wigs are so cute. Alright, we're not keeping this one. I really just apply. Okay, so I'm back with you guys. Please stuck. I didn't mean for it to actually be stuck. Okay. So now as I can see, my scalp is like that. So you get some makeup and you put it on your brush. And you basically just put it on the lace. Gotcha. It looks absolutely ridiculous. But it's a wig. Like, what? So now, I need a comb on my back. So we're just gonna brush it back. And you could switch the part, but I don't think I want a part right back. I'm just ready to go, bro. It's so awesome. I was gonna add some mousse to the wig because we're adding it back. We're making the wig going back because I don't want a part. So of course we gotta add some mousse going back. Period. Single switch. So I don't think it's bad. I mean, I tried to do the no part. If I'm gonna include a picture right here of what I was going for, you know, the Christian rock look. But I think I'm giving Stop it, y'all. I like Chanel. I like the bag.
I like Chanel. I like the bag. I like Chanel. I like the bag. I like Chanel. I like Chanel. I like the bags. I like Chanel. I like the bag. I like Chanel. I like the bags. That shit hard. That's gonna work in the industry. Now that's gonna be a TikTok song, man. I like Chanel. I like the bag. That shit catchy as a motherfucker, man. Yeah, I can motherfucker down. Yeah. Where I sign it at? Okay. Anywhere, right there. You got a lineup too? Yes, I do. That shit fresh as a motherfucker. Thank you so much. Yeah. It's my address. Thank you, Justine. Okay. All right. That's it? Yeah. Okay. I like Chanel. I like the bags. I like Chanel. I like the bags. I like Chanel.
I like Chanel. I like the bag. The bag. But yeah, there's my wig. And I hope y'all like it. You know, it was like a regular wig video that I did. So, yeah, that's it. Bye.
Pick your poison, tell me what you